Today we are sharing our Mount Buller tour experience. It's about 3 hours drive from Melbourne and located 208 kilometers of northeast Melbourne. We started our journey around 6 a.m. from west side of Melbourne and after Ring Road taken Sydney Road exit. We travelled through Hume Freeway and reached Calcalo at daybreak. Anyways, I am still sleeping and my mom was driving. Wow, look at that car. Finally, we are going to take exit for Broadford. One, two, three, sorry, can't count. Now we are at Dairy Creek and there's so many cows. At 8:40 am, we reached a small town named Yea. All vehicles must carry snow wheel change before heading up the Mount Buller. It's break time, guys. Wow, it's beautiful. This is Northside Express sites here. Finally, we reached and took shuttle bus to reach Mount Buller Village, which was free of cost for the day pass travelers. There are many activities you can enjoy including toboggan, skiing, snowboarding, and hiking. This is an overview of Mount Buller. The highest lift point is 1805 meters. There are different resorts you can book for overnight stay. This is shuttle bus stop. You can see a BOM Express for the skiing user to lift up. At Village Center can be found information, ticket office, meal and snacks, retail outlets. It's time for chairlift from the car park to North Express. Oops, I am freezing now. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye, and see you next time.